This video describes how to create a new incident in the variant NowForce dispatcher. To create a new incident, you can tap the New Incident icon on the dispatcher toolbar. The New Incident Management window opens, where you can enter all the incident details. Each incident has two mandatory fields: incident type and incident location. The incident remains in draft mode until all the mandatory fields are completed. To choose the incident type, tap the arrow in the incident pane and choose the type of incident from the list. You can also start typing the incident type in the field, and the system will auto-complete your query. Based on the incident type you choose, the incident gets its properties such as priority, form, dispatch rules, SLA, and so on. Next, type the incident location into the address field. Choose an exact address from the drop-down list that appears when you start typing the address. Once the address is selected, the map appears with the incident location. Note that there are three types of locations: address, road or point of interest, which is a predefined location configured per organization. Based on the location type you choose, you can also add additional information to the incident location, such as the entrance, floor and apartment number, the name on the front door for address, building number for a point of interest, and so on. You can also add any other additional comments about the incident location. There are multiple settings for the map, including street view of the incident location, displaying the incident coordinates, and so on. After all mandatory fields are filled, the incident status changes from draft to active. The incident is numbered, gets the date and time, and all the incident tabs become accessible. You can also add the incident caller details for the person who informed you about the incident. Note that you can add more than one caller. If you want to open a future incident, tap Start Now and select Schedule, and then choose the time the incident should be activated. Now let's review the other incident tabs. The Form tab allows you, the other dispatch operators, and the dispatched responders to share and document the incident information. The form is based on what the organization administrator predefined for the chosen incident type. Fill in the form with all the information you received from the incident callers. Note that mandatory fields in the form are marked with a red star and must be completed. The Dispatch tab displays all available responders and allows you to dispatch them to the incident. The Responders table shows you all the available responders and their details, such as resources, meaning their group membership, their role or equipment, their availability, their status for the incident, estimated time of arrival, or ETA, and the number of other incidents that they are already responding to. You can also search for specific users to dispatch. The ETA field shows the estimated time of arrival at the incident location for each responder. Based on the responder details and ETA, you can choose which responders you want to dispatch to that incident. The upper right side shows the incident timer box with three parameters that were predefined by the organization administrator for that incident type. The dispatch timer defines the length of time that the incident is considered to be live within the system. This is the interval of time that the operator has to find available responders. You can start or pause the dispatch timer by tapping the play button next to the timer. The dispatching substitute shows the length of time that must elapse before the system automatically dispatches the next closest available responder. The waiting time determines the length of time for each user to respond. To dispatch a responder, tap the plane icon for the desired responder. You can also check the boxes of multiple users and tap the Dispatch All Marked Resources button. If a dispatch rule is predefined by the organization administrator, you can tap the Activate Auto Dispatch Engine button. The system then starts searching for available responders and dispatches them automatically based on the dispatch rules. After you dispatch responders, they receive a pop-up notification on their mobile device. If you for some reason must cancel the responder dispatch, you can tap the Abort icon. Responder status updates on the mobile device are updated in real time under the user status, so you can see the status of each responder in real time. Pause the mouse over the status icon to see a tooltip with the responder status. Responders whose status reaches On Scene are able to see the incident form. The responder form on mobile device looks the same as the dispatcher form. When a responder updates a field on the mobile device, it is shown automatically on the dispatcher form and vice versa. After the responders have completed their activities and the form is complete, they select Done status. You can also see the responder progress in the time toolbar at the top of the incident window. If something happens on the way to the incident and responder cannot respond to the incident, he or she taps the Abort button. This action notifies the dispatch operator that the responder is no longer available to handle the incident. The users can be filtered and displayed by their status, such as dispatched, pending, active in incident, and aborted. The Assets tab displays the relevant incident's assets based on the incident type and location. You can also edit the assets, send notifications, and add additional assets to the incident. The Log tab has three inner tabs. The Chat tab shows the messages from active responders in the incidents. The Log tab shows the incident history and all activities in the incident, such as system updates, log entries, automatic operations, chat messages, and so on. You can also filter the log entries by selecting one or more filters for system logs, dispatcher or user entries, reports, or checklists. If you want to send a chat message or enter a log entry, tap the Log Chat button to open a message field. The field remains open even when switching between the tabs. To send a chat message to all active responders in the incident and document it in the incident log, tap the Post and Log button. Responders can send a chat message from their mobile device, and it appears under the Chat tab as well. To update a log entry without notifying the responders, write the message and tap the Log Only button. The timetable shows all the responders that are dispatched to the incident, and the time they last updated their statuses. If a responder sent a video from the incident location, the Video tab becomes available so you can see the live video or replay it. When all responders complete their assignments and have no other activity to perform in the incident, you can close the incident by tapping the Close Incident button. The responders receive a relevant pop-up notification on their mobile device. This video described how to create a new incident in the Variant NowForce dispatcher. Thank you for watching.